Little Angel Reader. Little Angel Reader. Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
In today's Kitchen Angel video, I want to show you how to make a famous Russian salad. It's called winter salad. You will need some sausage or some chicken or ham. You will also need several potatoes, several eggs, a small jar of pickles, a can of green peas, 2 onions, some mayo and some salt. Boil and peel the eggs, cut them into small cubes. Peel several potatoes and boil them. When they are cooked, cut them into small cubes too. You can see a lot of potatoes boiling in this pot because I wanted to make mashed potatoes as well. Max is helping me to peel the egg. Cut the sausage or chicken or ham into small cubes. Cut pickles and 2 onions. Put all these ingredients into a salad bowl. Add a small can of green peas and some salt. Add some mayo. Enjoy! Don't forget to mix it well. Your salad is ready. Your winter salad is ready. Friendship is not created by what we give, but more by what we share. I am sharing this recipe with you today. Thank you for your friendship.
Kitchen Angel. Delicious. Yum, yum.
If you would like to support our channel and family, please feel free to use this link for the PayPal donations. littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you.